Uh, Welcome to Horror Island, I guess? Horror, not horror. A very nice island. Never mind. I guess I just started it and this is it. Loading. I've never seen this type of screen before. Hey, okay. Oh, I control this bitch? Oh no, wait, do I? Nope, oh fuck. Well, I kinda glitched out of my fucking boat. I'm not going on those sharks like this. Oh, fuck. Did I seriously break it? I'm not supposed to be out here, am I? Uh-oh. Hold on. Starting game. I am going to do nothing and just try to make it to docks without falling off. Okay, figured it out. I kind of broke the game. I had to restart. Hey, Sharky! Sharky's here! Sharky, where's my raft? Did you fucking eat it? Wait. I don't give a shit. What is happening? You guys know that Sharky's here? Oh, I know why. My data's on. Is anyone home? Hey. No. That's not fair. Oh. Hello? Dad? Rapists? Where are you? Okay. What do I do? Where do I do? I want to go back. I want to get. Hi. How are you doing? I'm not okay with this. Can you, not do this? Who the fuck are you? Who the fuck? What the fuck? Sir? Okay, I'm gonna go back and sleep and try to forget about this horrible experience that somehow is just happening. I swear to God, if there's a nighttime, I am not gonna be happy. Hey, wait, bitch, save me! That bitch took my boat! That's normal. Okay. I'm gonna just go back sleep like nothing happened, because nothing did happen. I'm not okay with this. Why do I torture myself mentally for views? I don't get that many anyway. What the fuck am I doing this for? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck a duck. Hi? Hi, I'm selling paper clips. Hey, who the fuck do you think you are? Bitch, you wanna dance? Do I fucking dare turn around? It seems we're not. Alrighty then. Hi. Why? How you doing? Hi. Hey, hey, bitch! You get the fuck over here! Bitch, save me! Who the fuck is this? Can you help with my cancer? Hey, bitch, hey. Get the fuck on this island. I need assistance. Bitch, please, come on. No, I don't care. No, wait, this is not fair. Give. Hey, I need help. Save me. Hi, save, fuck. Give me a torch. Hold on, wait. Where's the torches? I need to, like, wave. Let's do a wave. We need more people, though. Give me a torch. Please, say, hey, bitch, where the fuck you going? No, you need to get your fat ass on here and save me. Oh, you fucks. Well, I might as well go back to bed. Yay. Let's just go back to bed on my shit-stained mattress that looks like it has green shit on it. Okay. You got any bleach? That's nice. That's should I approach? One second. Okay, sorry. How to go to the bathroom? I need to. Hi. What the fuck? Can I go pick up the knife really quick? Bitch, snap out of it. Hi. What you watching? Jesus fuck! God damn, the music scared me more than the fucking dude. Jesus. Look, I'm almost in front of TV. Hey! Okay. I'ma just stay in here! What the fuck? Oh my god, fucking... What the fuck? You... Lost your mind. Okay. That's cool. Okay then. That was Horror Island. What the fuck was that? Jeez, who the hell made this shit? God, what the hell? I don't know what the fuck those things were. Why the one was watching TV and trying to stare at his wife through a hole. Why she was on the floor crying. I have no fucking clue. Why some guy shot himself in the head. No fucking idea. Don't know why I just went to sleep and forgot everything. I forgot all of the memories. But, oh well. Nice game, I guess. But also not nice game. Whatever. Okay, that does it, I guess. Jesus. The fucking music at the end. It scared me more than the entire game itself. Gosh. Anyway. Oh, it does. I guess that's it then. Like, subscribe or not, I don't care. I'll see you in the next video, or not episode. I ain't doing this shit again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.